Hi traders, in this video we're looking at the random walk index indicator for MT4 and MT5. This statistical tool measures whether price movements are following a significant trend or behaving randomly by comparing actual price ranges to what would be expected in a random walk. In this video you will see how the indicator calculates its values, how random walk index high RWI high and random walk index low RWI low are interpreted, and which trading applications are noted. The random walk index is a technical indicator that determines if a security's price movement is random in nature or the result of a statistically significant trend. It measures price ranges over a specified number of periods and compares them to what would be expected by random walk, where prices randomly move up and down. The indicator produces two lines: RWI high for bullish trends and RWI low for bearish trends, with readings above 1 indicating strong trending behavior and readings below 1 suggesting random price movements. On MetaTrader 4 and 5, the random walk index appears in a separate window below the price chart, displaying two lines labeled RWI high and RWI low. When RWI high rises above 1, it signals a strong bullish trend, as you can see displayed on the chart here, here, and also here. And when RWI low moves above 1, it indicates a strong bearish trend, again as you can see on the chart. Readings below 1 on both lines suggest that prices are not following a significant trend and are moving randomly, helping traders avoid choppy or directionless markets. The primary setting is the look back period, which determines how many bars are used in calculating the maximum price ranges and the average true range components. The formulas for RWI high and RWI low use the highest and lowest price over the period divided by the ATR average true range multiplied by the square root of the period. You can also adjust this color for green, which is the bullish RWI high is number 0, RWI low is number 1, and then the line for 0 for 1 dark slate gray. The random walk index indicator is suitable for traders who want to distinguish between statistically significant trends and random price fluctuations across all currency pairs and time frames. It can indicate the bullish and bearish sentiments, help formulate trading strategies, and is equally helpful in short and long trades. However, it is a statistical confirmation tool only and does not provide direction on its own. Traders must still decide entry and exit points using additional analysis and risk management. You can download the random walk index indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek focuses on how the indicator's statistical approach helps traders separate genuine trends from random market noise. If you like strength confirmation tools, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 indicator content.